Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep making great content for you. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we have a regular octagon and the side length of this shape is 2 centimeters. And we are asking to find the shaded area. Okay. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is a regular n-gon. What is a regular n-gon? A regular n-gon is a polygon with n equal sides and n equal angles. So because we have regular octagon, it means we have a polygon with 8 equal sides and 8 equal angles. So because the side length is 2 centimeters, we have another 2 centimeters for the other side of this octagon. So let me call this triangle ABC, and you know that we have these two areas. First one is triangle ABC and the second one is another equal triangle. So we have to find the area of ABC and then twice that to finding the final answer of this question. Okay, so you know that the area of any triangle like ABC can be found using this formula, half of AB times AC, these two sides of this triangle, multiplied by an angle, the sine of this angle, and this angle is between AB and AC, these two sides that we have. But we have a challenge here because we don't know the sine of A. In fact, we don't know the angle size of A, and after that finding the sine of that. Okay. So we have to find angle A and after that substitute into this equation. Okay. How can we find the angle size of A? In any regular n-gon, we have a formula for finding the size of an angle, and this is here. N minus 2 times 180 degrees over n. So the only thing that we need is to substitute 8 into this equation because octagon means 8 sides. Okay, 8 minus 2 times 180 over 8. So 6 times 180 over 8. I'm going to simplify to 2 by 2 and divide both sides by 4. 3 times 45 is 135 degrees. So angle A is 135 degrees. Okay, and now we can substitute 135 in this equation to find the area of this triangle. Half of AB, AB is 2, AC is equal to AB is 2 times sine of 135 degrees. Okay, another challenge that we have is to find the sine of 135. We know that 135 and 45 degrees are two complementary angles. They add up to 180 degrees. So the sine of 135 is equal to sine of 45, which is radical 2 over 2. So we have half of 2 times 2 is 4 times sine of 135 is radical 2 over 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and cancel out with another 4 in the numerator. So the final answer is radical 2 is the area of ABC. Okay, but the shaded area consists 2 triangle, ABC and another one here in the bottom. So you have 2 times radical 2, which is 2 radical 2, the final answer of this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.